Lost. I am lost. And yet, I can feel his presence so close, so close. I can see him in my mind's eye. Kai. You are nothing, Zane. Nothing but just a robot. You are worthless. No, I'm not. I will not let some useless usurper try and tell me who I am. Because I know who I am. I am the Ice Emperor! Now die! It's nothing but a vision, Zane. It's nothing but a vision. Sir, are you alright? Yes, soldier, it's nothing, just a simple hallucination. The soldiers are awaiting your command, sir. What shall I tell them? Tell them that we are done hiding in the Netherrealm. Tell them that we will no longer hide in this ice-filled realm. Tell them that we will march into the battlefield and obtain our victory. Tell them the ascension of the samurai shall begin. So what's the news, Pixel? Word has spread the new ruler of the Pyro Vipers, General Shah, was assassinated by Kai, and his army now works for him. Rumours have been surfaced of a massive weapon being constructed in the heart of the base.
Why does Kai need another weapon? Surely his powers alone could suffice.
After that massive blast, Kai has lost his powers. That's why he's making a weapon. But what does he need it for?
To destroy Sakura City.
The sister city of Ninjago? But I swear that was under construction. They finished construction right after the Oni invasion.
All the survivors of Ninjago City have been evacuated there.
So that's why Kai's building a weapon. He wants to destroy Sakura?
But how is he going to pull that off? All military forces were sent there to defend it.
I can see the Vermilion stronghold up ahead. Let's ask them how they're gonna pull it off. I'm a Vermilion warrior, and yet my job is to watch out for any intruders. This is absolute bull! I hate working for this guy. He's such a pain. That's a car in the distance. Oh, I'm in danger.
Was there any need in doing that?
Not really, but I'd be lying to you if I didn't find it a bit fun. Come on, let's go inside.
Look over there.
Why are we doing this?
That's the Iron Dome, but why are they rebuilding it?
I think I know why. You see over there?
What, you mean the metal?
It's not just any metal. That's the metal the military use in their gunships. It's highly resistant to gunfire and almost invincible to any explosive.
Then how did the Vermilion take out the gunships?
The cockpit is the weakest part of the ship.
If they complete this, then Sakura won't stand a chance.
We need to destroy it. But how?
There is a flaw in making this metal. Once it's smelted, it's vulnerable for 24 hours, then it's resistant.
So we need an explosive.
What about that gunship turret over there? If we activate it, it should destroy it.
Alright, we know the plan. Let's go.
Ice just splitting up. If Kai's overseeing us, then we are at a disadvantage if he sees us all together.
Agreed. Now let's go.
Sir, you, wanted to see me?
How far are we away from completion?
At this rate, tomorrow, sir.
That's not good enough. By tomorrow, the military forces at Sakura would have doubled.
Well, sir, with all due respect, this metal's taken a very hard time to melt down.
If I still had my elemental powers, I would have melted it myself. Now go and find a way to make it melt faster, or I will melt you instead!
Yes, sir. Of course, sir. Right away, sir. My lord, I have found it. The scroll.
Excellent work. Now my powers will finally return. Why is nothing happening?
It is because you use a darker, more stronger pyro element, my lord. Because you require such huge amounts of energy, the scroll cannot give you that. However, it has given you a little bit of your powers back. If we want your powers to fully return, we need to find the power sources that Asphera looked for.
Very well. In that case, go put it in my study. Then after that, tell the Embers they're going hunting.
Laura, where are you?
Just dealing with things. Oh no.
Was there really any need in doing that?
No, but it was fun. So, the ghost lives. Guy, what happened to you? Finally got mad that Nia was dating Lloyd? Do not dare speak of that heathen's name. What? Lloyd? Lloyd. I mean, seriously, is that what all this is about? Your hatred for Lloyd? I have to say, that's pretty pathetic, even from you. Soldiers, show these ninja what happens to intruders.
Mr. E, you don't have to do this. You can help us.
He must none the reason it was not my way, Mr. Mayor.
Lloyd, where the hell are you?
Right here. How are you still alive?
Hey, you wanna know a fun fact? You can't behead a ghost.
Sir, one of the gunship turrets are aimed at the Iron Dome. It's your call, but what shall we do?
I want every weapon we have to open fire upon that man.
Sir, but we don't have any bow and arrows.
Just kill him.
I think that's the last of them.
What are you guys supposed to be? Fire ninja wannabes?
You're welcome.
You will not stop the destruction of this world.
Kai! It's been too long.
Shut up.
Kai, I'm not here to hurt you, but you need to stop this.
No, you will not stop the prophesized event. Now die.
Well, I guess whatever power you had left has now been wasted on, well, let's say your own project's downfall.
We need to get out of here. I'm teleporting us out. Shados, Riftus, Departus, Ratus.
Sir, we need to get out of here now.
I will take everything away from you, Lloyd. Just wait and see.
Now, Harumi, try and use your abilities mid-spinjitzu. Well done. We will pick up training later.
We're back. How did it go?
Well, the good thing is their weapon is down for good.
Well done, Morrow. But we have another problem. Whilst investigating, I saw one of Kai's honor guards holding Asphera's scroll. Ah, great, just what we need. Another problem. But I thought it was destroyed. Scrolls are invincible. Not even radiation can corrode them.
The good thing is, it shouldn't have any power, since its connection to Asphera was cut when she was killed, therefore making it useless.
But remember when Asphera invaded, she needed to find those power sources to charge it up. The scrolls feed off of rift energy. The power sources were placed on top of cracks in this realm.
If Kai finds one of those power sources, then Superior will fall.
The rifts takes years to recharge. There is only one left that Asphera didn't touch, and it's located in the Sea of Sand. Then we need to go there now.
No, not yet. We need a plan. Pixel, can you go work on a plan? Whilst she is working on the plan, the rest of you will train. and ready for the upcoming battle. Let's head back to camp.
Echo Zane systems. Booting. Rebooting. Rebooting. Online, 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 online.
How do you feel, Echo Zane? I feel better. I feel more advanced and more skillful. Thank you very much for the upgrade, Pixel. So, how is Harumi's training going?
Her training is going very well. She is improving at not only her spinjitzu, but her jade elemental powers. But I think she would work better if her sensei was you. That is why I am asking you to go train her.
What do you mean she would succeed more if I was her sensei?
She would do better at her training if you were a teacher, and besides, I see it as a great bonding exercise.
Look, Sensei, as I said to my father, I don't have feelings for Harumi. She knows I'm with Nia, so nothing would really go on.
In due time, that may change. Ninja, it is getting late, so I suggest all of you should come to bed.
Lloyd, can we talk for a second? I need to tell you something. Sorry, Nia. Sensei asked me to train Harumi. But maybe afterwards. Can we talk? Can't that wait? It's kind of important. Sorry, Nia. I've got to go. So with this one, you've got to complete the course. And then, afterwards, you have to fight me.
Can you show me how to do it?
Sure thing. Now, do the exact same, and then afterwards, you have to fight me.
Oh my god, Lloyd, I'm so sorry.
It's alright, Harumi. Well done. Well, I do learn from the best. Well, I wouldn't really class myself as the best. I think that position goes to Sensei.
In my eyes, you are the best.
Well, thanks. Anyway, sorry. Let's do it again. Hey, Nia, what is it that you wanted to talk about? I think we should take a break, Lloyd. Why? What's wrong, Nia? Lloyd, it's just that we don't really work, you know? It's because of Harumi, isn't it? No, it's not because of that. What do you mean it's not about Harumi? Of course it is. Ever since she came back, you've been acting off. I don't like your tone, Lloyd. And I hate yours. God, it's driving me insane. That's why I despise you. Lloyd, what are you saying? I'm agreeing with you. We don't work together. You know what? I think it's better that we break up. Thank goodness. Now go away. Wait, Nia. Omega, what the hell is wrong with you? I just helped you. Now you can tell Harumi you love her. For the last time, I don't love Harumi. No, Harumi, I didn't... What have I done? This morning it was reported Kai and his army alongside the Sons of Garmadon marched into the Sea of Sands. By this afternoon they will reach the temple. If that happens, it's game over. We were going to make our way through the city, but then he appeared.
Zane's back in Ninjago?
Yes, now he is following Kai. If he kills Kai, then we failed. But we have another thing to worry about. Zane has a scroll. Kai can easily get his powers back by holding it. As well as that, it would charge the other scroll up. If that happens, the whole world could be the next target for Kai. Now we have a scroll and elemental powers, but we don't have an army. We are heavily outnumbered, but I have figured out a plan. Ronin, would you care to explain? Of course. So I strapped the Titan mech with a bunch of C4. So the plan is we fly the mech towards the army and then detonate it, taking out most of the army. Then we try and apprehend Kai. But where does Zane fit into all of this? Nia, Skylar, Jessica and Harumi will try and delay Zane, whilst Cole, Jay, Lloyd, Morrow, Sensei Wu and Garmadon will deal with Kai. Ronin and Echo Zane, and Raven, and Akita are going to Sakura City. What about you, Pixel? This is a suicide mission. The only way to ensure a devastating blow to Kai's forces is to do this manually. It's been an honor fighting alongside all of you. I'm gonna be real with you though. All of us may not make this out alive. This is going to be the hardest battle we've ever fought. And I'm gonna protect this city even if it kills me, because it's the least we can do for Ninjago. Now let's do this!
How much further, Archvile Commander?
Only 5 miles now. They are in the Sea of Sand. Let's go. Not so fast. Are you serious? Samurai, deal with them! Are you serious? I have you now, Earth Ninja. Die! Uh-oh. Prepare to die! Killer's down. I'm heading to you guys now. Master, look! No. Pixel. No! No! Pixel! You!
Zane, please stand down. I don't want to fight you.
You sent her to her death. I cannot forgive you for that. So now you will die! Kai, this ends now.
Embers of Kai, deal with these fools.
Thanks, Morrow. I've got you, Jay. Thanks, Cole.
Cole, we should try that merge ability.
It's a risk worth taking.
I am the Phantom Earth Ninja!
Cole, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Just, I feel a little bit dizzy, that's all. Cole, your scar's returned. Has it? I guess that's the consequence of fusing with a ghost. That's all of them.
Lloyd, come in!
I'm a little busy here, Skylar.
It's Zane. He's heading your way.
Thanks. Jessica, can you go deal with Zane? Sure thing.
You will now die.
Ninjago!
Cole, distract them. Thanks, Jay.
You're welcome.
Why do you ninja have to ruin everything?
Sadly, Fire Ninja, your role in all of this is to protect Ninjago, not destroy it. That's my job.
Lloyd, it's Jessica. He's behind you. So we finally meet after all this time, Ice Emperor.
Out of my way!
Why are you hurting those who help you?
You are unbearably naive. No, Zane!
Thanks for the power-up. Now for my army to rise again. Resurrecto Desro!
Lloyd, I've got the scroll. Catch! This ends now.
Army, attack!
No, I will not let you defeat me so easily.
Well, you're a bit too late to that, Zane, because guess what? I've already won.
There's too many of them, Lloyd. What are we gonna do? No, my golden powers are running out. I'm sorry. We've lost. There's too many of them.
But there's many of us.
Echo Zane here and ready to support.
Give him hell, boys.
Guys, I have an idea on how to defeat all these vermilion. If we use Spinjitzu, we can suck them all in and spit them all out. I'm down for that idea. Oh, my back.
Oh no! Where's the Mask of Vengeance? Oh no.
Yes, what? No, I will not let this happen! I, Samurai! I summon you! We will not let you hurt our leader!
You guys deal with Mystery and Ultraviolet. I'll deal with Kai and Zane. Sure thing, Lloyd. Do you two mind if I join in? Kai, stop this! Stop trying to reason with me, it won't work! Now die!
No, I don't think I will! No! I still have a mission to do.
Zane, don't!
Lloyd, put the scroll down. Omega could
Gain control. Now, time to kill 3 birds with 1 stone.
No! Lloyd!
What have I done?
Kai, wake up!
What? Who are you? Don't you remember me?
It's as I feared. The scroll has wiped his memory.
Nia! Nia, please stay with me. It's gonna be alright. We're gonna get help. I'm not scared, Lloyd. Remember that. I'm not scared. I'm gonna kill you! Lloyd, calm down. Go! Let me go! Lloyd. He lost his memory. But Nia, what have I done? So, how are you, Jay? How's Jess and Raven? I haven't told anyone, but they went back to the first realm. Since Raven is the rightful heir to the throne, because she is the daughter of Omega, they decided to rule the first realm and lead it in a new age. An age without war. I can't believe she's dead. I don't know, I just never expected it. Maybe that's the problem with being a ninja. You just think that nothing would hurt you. You think that you're invincible to everything. But at any point, it could just disappear. Lloyd has really taken this hard. I mean to ask, what's exactly happening to Kai, Zane, and the others? Zane is working on recovering Pixel's files, whilst going to therapy, since he wasn't in control. As for Kai, well, the best he's got in jail is 5 years. Because we made an insanity plea, he's gonna be in Cryptarium for at least another 5 years and a monitored release. So he can't ever be a ninja. Ever again. As for Ronin, he's going back to smuggling. Echo Zane is accompanying him, surprisingly. And Morrow, Skylar, and Akita are moving into the monastery. Harumi, after this, will address the public of what will happen in the future, and will go back to her royal duties. Well, anyway, the funeral's starting. Let's go. I think I can say for everyone that Nia was more than a friend to all of us. She was family. We all loved her. I still can't believe that she's gone. But we wouldn't be here today without her. There's no doubt about that. She's an amazing teammate. She was an amazing teammate. And an amazing ninja. The best out of all of us. So thank you, Nia. Thank you for everything.
Brother, where are you going?
I am exiling myself to the Wailing Alps.
There is no need for that, brother. Come live in the monastery with us. Lloyd needs you now more than ever.
You were there for him when I wasn't. I would just ruin everything. Take care of him, brother. Take care of him as I would have.
Farewell, brother.
And with that, the ninja were never the same again. Until...
Initiating Project Eclipse.